Hello guys, today let's look at how you can take advantage of the list of carefully selected faucets that we've lined up at our back end for our members. And mind you, these are faucets that have been in operation for many years now. Some have been in existence for over 10 years now, and it does not require you to perform any task at all. All you need to do is to come every 1 hour and make your free claims of the particular crypto they are offering. So in order to access this, you first of all need to hit menu here from your back end. Go to menu, move straight to hourly faucets here. And then under this faucet, if you are accessing this for the first time, you are required to sign up with these guys. Sign up. While signing up, please, it is important that you use the same username as what you have on Adsvilla. And in case that username is taken, you can add something to make it look very close that you can be identified with. Why you don't want to miss out on this is the fact that there are a lot of prizes we'll be giving out, a lot of giveaways we'll be giving out to our users who do this. Now, these are the list of faucets at your back end. All these list offers you some specific amount of crypto. For instance, free BTC here gives you free BTC or Bitcoin every 1 hour. The free ETH here gives you free Ethereum every 1 hour. We have the free BNB every 1 hour. Come and make your claims. You don't need to perform any tasks. We have that for Throne. We have that for another BNB, of course, from another provider. We have Solana, we have Litecoin, we have Matic. All these cryptos are available for you to claim for free. So in order to make this claim, you just hit on sign up or sign up or log in for all these lists. And some you can see their existence, like free BTC for instance. They've been in existence since 2014. I have been with them for years, and all my claims are paid and paid on time. I didn't have to spend anything. You don't have to spend anything. All you need to do, come in every 1 hour, make your claims, accumulate enough crypto, and then when you are ready, you withdraw. So you click on sign up or log in, and then that should take you straight to that should take you straight to their website. Now on their website, even if you observe their capture or their heading, they tell you have the chance to make claims up to $200 in free Bitcoin every 1 hour, and that is not a joke. You can make up to $200 per claim every 1 hour. So what you do is that you put your email address up there for registration and choose your password, and then after that prove that you're not a robot, that you're a human, and then you create your account. Now after creating your account, you proceed. It takes you straight to your it brings you straight to your dashboard, where you scroll down and then prove that you're not a robot and click on row, right? Once you click on this, you have the chance, or it automatically gives you a chance to earn this amount in BTC up to 0.02 if you have at least 10,000. The row number shows 10,000. Anything between 19998, as stated here, earns you this amount of Bitcoin, and this amount of Bitcoin is already $200. Based, so you click, and whatever pops up, any number you gain, any lucky number that shows up, automatically earns you this amount of Bitcoin. So let's see let me roll in this case, for instance. I hope my luck shines today. Okay, so I earned, my roll number fell in this zone, so I've been rewarded 0.06 0.0006 or 6 satoshis of Bitcoin, 2 lottery tickets, and then 8 reward points, guys. 8 reward points. Now these reward points are very, very important points that you do not want to miss. So everyone, your job is to come in here, and after making this claim, you see your countdown timer rolling down there. After 1 hour, you come, you make your claims. All your claims all your earnings available on this platform is displayed at the top here. It's as simple as that with free BTC. Same applies to the free Ethereum. A minute. So the free ETH, also you log in after creating your account using the same format. You now log in to also make your claim. Now also here on this site, just like we did the other time, you still need to prove you're a human. Okay, prove you're a human and you roll, and that is it. 38 satoshis of Ethereum has been rewarded, and as you can see, this is my earnings here. So I don't need to perform any task. All I need to do is to come make my claim and then go. So I've earned Bitcoin, I've now earned Ethereum, and all these earnings can be withdrawn directly to your crypto wallet, guys. It can be withdrawn directly to your crypto wallet. So that has to do. Also, we have that same thing for BNB. So we did BTC, we did that of we are now doing that of BNB. I'm coming. There you go. We are doing same for BNB, and you roll whatever you get. There you go. I just earned myself an amount of BNB. So everyone, I'll still come and make my claims, accumulate until I'm willing, or until I got to the level I want to, and I can just withdraw. And of course, all these people have certain minimum withdrawal requirement, which has been stated on our side. Now, aside these three, which have similar format, there are other ones like the peaks, like BNB peak, the light peak, and all those ones. What you do is to click on any. For instance, let me choose the light peak. Make sure it will ask you to sign up. Make sure you create an account, choose your username that is closer to what you have on our platform. And after having done that, you log into your account, scroll down here, and then here, I compared to the previous ones with the free BTC and the free BNB, here it is rather a level system, where the particular level you are gives you an amount of free Litecoin every 1 hour. I'll later walk you through how to rank up, and the most important thing is that you can rank up all the way to master. When you get to master, every 1 hour you are making claim of 0.02 Litecoin, which is about $4 every 1 hour. So every 1 hour you come in, you make your claim. Every 1 hour you come in, you make your $4 claim. And imagine how much you can make in a week for making an hourly claim of $4, where you don't even need to invest anything, and whatever you earn here can be withdrawn. It can be withdrawn. I've been withdrawing here for several months now. you know, and it is something that is working. That is why I mentioned earlier that it is these are carefully selected, you know, faucets. So let's see how the earning works here. Now this is my stage. I'm on silver. What it means is that every hour I'm allowed to get at least 3,000 satoshis of Litecoin. So my job here is to prove I'm not a robot, and then make my claim. Success. You got 0.0003 Litecoin, which has been added to my account. And if I want to make withdrawal, I just need to hit on withdraw, you know, and the minimum withdrawal has been stated there. Look at it, 0.005 Litecoin. Now if you look at my balance here, I'm more than qualified to make withdrawal, but of course I am not willing to withdraw yet. I want to accumulate up to 5-10 Litecoin and then withdraw. And this Litecoin, in case you are new to crypto and wondering how much one Litecoin is, a minute. You can always see the live price of the particular asset on their site. So as we speak, as at the point of recording this video, one Litecoin is $85. So if you accumulate these and I decide to withdraw only one Litecoin, what it means is that I'm withdrawing $85, and this is something I've not put in any money. You're not required to invest anything. All you need to do is to come here every hour and make your claims, and same applies to all the subsequent ones. So do this every hour, make your claims, accumulate. This is just an extra bonus we have added to our features on our platform to help boost your earnings. So stick and stay. In my subsequent videos, I'll walk you through how to rank up. I'll show you things that you can do in order to grow through this rank all the way to the master level, you know. And the right from there to we also have maybe let me use Throne, the free Thrones, for instance, where you have the opportunity to also do the same. So here I'm on bronze, and this amount of Throne I can actually make every 1 hour. Come here, make your Throne. But if I rank up all the way to master, what it means is that every 1 hour I'm taking 30 Thrones free of charge. And you think they won't pay? They will pay. And they've been in business for years, not 1 year, not 2 years. They've been in business for years. So these are the list of faucets we have for you. Take advantage of them, accumulate this crypto, withdraw, and our aim is to make sure we help you make free money online without necessarily putting in your hard-earned currency. So thank you so much. I'll stop here. In my subsequent videos, I'll walk you through how to rank all the way through to the master level. Please remember to subscribe to this channel. Let's keep it going. There are more stuff you expect from me on this channel. Thank you so much.